What's up, beautiful people? So today I'm doing my hair. It looks a mess, and I'm gonna cut it and perm it and style it. And it's probably gonna take a minute, but I wanted to record it because I feel like y'all like the hair video. So let's go. So I feel like my hair is kind of long, but then not really. I just really deep down be wanting to be like bald head, but then I want to like have no hair. So then it's like just a little bit of hair, but then I also don't want to fade because I like to swoop. Anyway, I have my clippers. I'm gonna do the back first because the back can really just stay as short as possible. Like it's fine if I just have a taper. I usually sometimes go to the barber, or when I go get it cut, I ask her to just cut it all the way down. So I have a number. This is the clippers. I have a number 4 guard on here, which is a ½ inch. We're gonna see what this give me. Is the music loud in the background? I don't want to get the copyright. I'm just like taking it, having my hand right here, and just cutting. And please be careful if you do this. I've cut the side of my finger so many times, and it pisses me off every time. And the only reason why I cut my finger is because I'm rushing. But I've noticed that sometimes I just be rushing, and I have to ask myself, what the hell are you rushing for? I have to remind myself that we not in a rush. I'm not in a rush. So I notice I be rushing when it's something that I really don't kind of want to do. Like doing my hair, this is a task. And I'm doing it because I like to look good. And I forgot to make an appointment. So it's like technically, I don't really feel like doing this, but we finna do it because it's Mother's Day weekend and it's the weekend, it's Friday, and we outside. One, that. I've cut off as much as I think I'm gonna cut off. Definitely cut off the sideburns. Probably too short, but we'll see. The back. I took the clippers around my ears because that get too long too. And then I feel like, oh, this is looking like it's close to the same length. I cut the front down some. There's hair and dandruff all over me. But now I'm gonna go in with the just like the perm base all over my head so I don't burn. And then I'm gonna perm it. The perm. Oh, y'all, my leg's so sore. The perm I have is randomly the same as this Hawaiian Silky No Lie Relaxer. So this is what I'll be using. And I just really take the comb and splat it on there. I have the other little thing too. I'll be using that too. Where's that? This. All that. Period. So let me go ahead and base my scalp. I like squeezing it out and then putting it on my head. Because they put that right there, but girl, it's so thick it don't even hardly squeeze out for real. You gotta put it all around your ears. Okay. Got some gloves on. Honestly, like the shorter the hair, I don't want to advise y'all to do that, but you can take the perm and slap it under the girl. But I'm gonna use my little brush. Just go in. Because it's very important to get the perm on there quickly and then work it in. Okay, I'm gonna keep working it in. I'm gonna rinse it out. And I'm rinsing it out using the Motions Neutralizer shampoo. You always need a neutralizer shampoo. Please don't perm your hair without a neutralizer shampoo. And I like that one. It's supposed to be moisturizing, has like shea. But the ISO Plus one, I got that too. That one is like $3 from the beauty supply. As long as you have something. It's been 6 minutes. I'm gonna keep it on for like 2-3 more minutes and rinse it out. Okay, I am back with my hair all washed, conditioned, and everything else. So we're going in with our leave-ins. I'm actually going to do both today. I have the Mazzani 25 Miracle Milk and then the Miracle Leave-In product from It's a 10. And I also have a little bit of heat protectant. Dang, it's almost gone. I didn't even notice, from Pixie Perfection. Let's see how I did on this cut. Just always want to comb that through. Okay, the sideburn is actually not that short. They're actually perfect. The length, they even. Now they can cut. Okay, today I'm using the It's a Natural. It's one, right? The rosemary foam. I only got a little bit, but it should be enough to do this little mode. I'm starving. Okay, so I feel like my hair did get really straight. I'm happy about that because it's laying. So when it's like real straight, I can either do the waves. I'm not doing the waves, girl. I don't feel like it. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. So we're gonna do us a nice mode and then like some curl. I've been liking that look lately. The waves give like a different vibe. The waves are like funky. I ain't really been in a funky mood lately. I've been in a nice flat cut, pixie, cute, soft vibe. Very simple. Okay, I'm back. And the mode is molding, okay? So I'm gonna do a little curl after I add on some of this oil from Pixie Perfection. You can use any oil. This is their Maracuja oil, but I just like to put a little something on my hair. Now you could indeed just wear this, but it won't last long. It lasts way longer with some curls. Okay, I'm just go in and curl with this is like a 3/10 flat iron, so it's really small. They are linked in my bio though, in my Amazon storefront. If you want to check them out, click the link in the bio and support your girl. I can see that some pieces are definitely longer than others. Shout out to my haircut. So we keep going. That was Sebastian Hair Shaper, and this is Cantu. Whatever works for you, though. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. And this is how I cut and perm and style my hair at the crib when I forget to make an appointment, or when I just don't feel like going to the shop, whatever. But yes, this is the final look. Peace.